In front of me is Motorola S50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Photos and selecting Photos or Library at the bottom. Wherever you decided, after locating your photos that you wish to get rid of, hold one of them and click those type of dots at the top right corner to select multiple. If you wish to, you can always keep some by tapping on the chosen ones and get rid of the rest thanks to bin icon at the bottom, or in case of library section, at the top of your screen. Then hit got it and move to trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!